Vethasatthi Varmam exercises. Enhancing body immunity and functions of respiratory system. By Thirumular Varmalogy Institute, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Vethasatthi Medical Varmalogy. Conceptualized and designed by Dr. N.Shunmugom. Indigenous ancient Indian medical science. Based on subtle energy science. Ayurvedic doctors learn a portion of this science as Marma Chikitsa, as part of their medical degree curriculum. Siddha doctors learn a portion of this science as Siddha Varmam, as part of their medical degree curriculum. Dr. N.Shunmugom learned and practiced this science since 1978. Learned this science from more than 75 traditional masters under Gurukula method. Researched on more than 120 different Varmam manuscripts. Trained more than 5,000 Ayush doctors in Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy. He is a member of expert group on Marma Chikitsa formed by Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. He was nominated by the Indian Medicine and Homeopathy Department, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Tamil Nadu to train Ayush medical officers in Varmam therapy.
Good morning, one and all. The Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy is one of our Indian medical systems. The ancient medical system of our Indian soil, which based on energy level, that like electrical energy, magnetic energy, which is called as Vethasatthi in the Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy. We use the Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy practitioners are using this energy for the welfare and the health promotion of our people. Here I want to give 5 Vethasatthi Varmam points to enhance our lung system, that means respiratory system, and 2 points connect with improving our immune system. We will see the points and how to use the points and what are the uses of the points. We can see the later part.
Vethasatthi Varmam exercises. Do's and don'ts. Vethasatthi Varmam exercises could be used as add-on. If you are taking any medication, these exercises can be done along with it. Do not stop any medication without your doctor's advice. Should be done in sitting position and not in standing position. Stimulation of Varmam points must be done using one's own fingers. Varmam points should not be poked on or pressed down using instruments like stick or rod. During Varmam stimulation, mild pressure is enough. Benefits we get depend on doing right stimulation at the right location. Excessive pressure on Varmam points is not recommended. In fact, excessive pressure will be contraindicative.
This is clavicle bone. The clavicle bone reaches towards the shoulder joint. Below the collarbone, there is a small pit which is called as Vilangu Varmam according to Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy. How to stimulate the Vilangu Varmam? The middle part of the middle 3 fingers, you keep on your left Vilangu Varmam and 3 rotation inward and 3 rotation outward. Likewise, you keep your left hand middle 3 fingers, keep on the right Vilangu Varmam, 3 rotation towards inside and 3 rotation towards outside. this application or this practice enhance the lung capacity, not only the lung capacity. According to the Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy, this energy goes to the alveol levels inside the lungs. So you have to do this practice for 3 times: morning, noontime and evening. It will help for your lung enhancement and lung enrichment. The Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy mention another one important Varma, which is enhancing our lungs, liver, heart, stomach and all internal organs. That important Vethasatthi Varmam point is called as Adappa Kaalam. The Adappa Kaalam is located on our flank region, sides of the rib. How to reach the Adappa Kaalam? First you locate the end of the sternum. There is a small pit. From that place to you take a 1 jot measurement on the sides of the rib, which is called as Adappa Kaalam. Now you go for the exercise movement. You take the middle 3 fingers, the middle part of the middle 3 fingers, touch on the Adappa Kaalam and move forward and backward 3 times, forward and backward, and then lift upward on the left side of the Adappa Kaalam. Use by your right hand. Now you use by your left hand, touch on the right side Adappa Kaalam and move forward and backward 3 times and lift upward and downward one time. Enough. Which is very useful Vethasatthi Varmam point for enhancing our lung and respiratory system. Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy deals many energetic point in our body. One important Vethasatthi point, which is located on the metacarpal bone, which is located on the in between the index finger knuckle joined to the web space. If you want to stimulate that Varmam point, you keep your thumb from the knuckle joints and rub upward up to the web space. 3 times you move from the knuckle point to up to the web space. Likewise, you can do the same application on your right hand also by your left thumb. Press the thumb on the knuckle joint and move on the bone up to the web space 3 times from the knuckle to and the web space, rubbing on the bone, which gives enormous energy to our lungs and enhancing our lung condition and respiratory system. Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy says some Vethasatthi Varmam points enhance our body immune system. Many number of points in the Varmam system. Here I explain only two Vethasatthi Varmam points which are enhance our immune system. The first one is 3-finger measurement from the earlobe towards the skull. You keep your middle 3 fingers, tip of the middle 3 fingers on the both side of the point, which is called as Chunnambu Kaalam. You move forward and backward. You give a half matrai pressure on that place. You keep forward and backward. Every day you should do this practice in the morning, the noon time and the evening time. The same point also practiced in our Hindu spiritual worships also. Even in the Tantra practice, the Tantrikas also practicing this kind of application. So you all please do this application for every day. Definitely which energy develops our immune system and fight with our foreign bodies. According to Vethasatthi medical Varmalogy, the second Vethasatthi Varmam point for immune system, improving our immunity system, which is located on the back side of our ear. There is a bone, projected bone, which is called as mastoid bone. The Vethasatthi Varmam is mentioned, which is called as Chimuliruppu. You keep your 3 fingers, the tip of the 3 fingers, middle 3 fingers on the bone and the 3 rotation towards backward. This is the application which also enhance our immunity system, not only immunity system, our digestive system, our nervous system and all our vital systems are definitely get immune by this application. You have to do this application morning, noontime and evening, definitely, which will help and improve our immune system.
Vethasatthi Varmam exercises. Do's and don'ts. Anybody above 15 years of age can do these exercises. Should not be done up to 15 minutes after getting up from bed. Should not be done up to 15 minutes after taking bath. Have no link to kind of food we intake or the timing of the food intake. For better results, these exercises should be done thrice a day, namely: morning slot, between 6 am and 10 am. Afternoon slot, between 10 am and 1 pm or between 4 pm and 6 pm. Evening slot, between 6 pm and 10 pm. For more information, please contact Thirumular Varmalogy Institute, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India.